Welcome to Mealplanrobo's how-to video series. This video is on groceries. In this video, we will cover how to look up groceries list based on location, priority, store, and inventory. So let's get started. Let's go to Mealplanrobo and click on Login from the menu bar. Let's enter the username and password and press Login. That should take us to the welcome page. On the welcome page, let's go to Groceries. All the links under Groceries have a master list of groceries and refer to the same master list, only in a different order. Let's first click on By Location and create the master list. That should bring us to the Groceries list by locations page. In every household, we keep groceries in different places like fridge, freezer, pantry, kitchen built-in cabinets, or say, a hutch cabinet. Let's first make a list of places that we store all the groceries in. For that, let's start from the kitchen and go clockwise in the entire house and note down the locations. Let's say we have a fridge where we keep all the vegetables and fruits, a freezer where we keep meat, fridge top where we keep condiments, kitchen cabinet 1 where we keep sugar, coffee powder, etc. Kitchen cabinet 2 where we keep spices, hutch cabinet where we keep beverages, sink cabinet where we keep dishwashing liquid, etc. Pantry shelf 1 where we keep cereals, pantry shelf 2 where we keep pulses, pantry shelf 3 where we keep legumes, washer dryer area where we keep cleaning supplies, medicine cabinet where we keep medicines and first aid supplies, mommy's closet where we keep products that mommy uses, daddy's closet where we keep daddy's products, baby's closet where we keep baby's products. Then let's create a list of major categories of all the items at home, like products needed for emergencies, or vegetables, fruits, dairy, condiments, cereals, pulses, legumes, medicines, cleaning supplies, toiletries, etc. Please note that we have numbered both locations and categories to make sure they appear in that order. Now that we have the locations and category ready, let's click on Add New Item to Grocery List. In the dialog box, we will see that some fields are mandatory, the ones that are marked with an asterisk, like location, item name, and store. Let's enter 01_fridge in location. Item name as carrot. The field in inventory has a value of yes or no, meaning we have that item at home, then it's a yes, and if not, then it's a no. Let's say we do not have carrots at home, so we select a no. Quantity in inventory refers to the amount or quantity that's available in the inventory. Since we do not have any, let's leave it blank. By item has the value of yes or no, meaning if we want to purchase that item, we can select yes and no if not. Let's say we want to purchase carrots. Let's select yes. In quantity to buy, let's enter 1 lb. In category, let's enter 02_veg. In instructions, let's say it should not be soft or brown. In frequency, let's select bi-weekly. In priority, let's select low. In store, let's enter the value of farmer's market. Let's leave the price as blank and select yes for has recipe and press add. We'll see that the item was added to the list. This is how we add an item. To edit, we can double-click on any value and edit it. Let's double-click on In Inventory and change it to yes and enter 0.5 lb in quantity in inventory. All the values in columns with column headers having the searchable icon can be searched. To delete, we will select an item row and press Delete Selected Item from Grocery List. Let's add a few more items to the list. We will see that the list on this page is displayed in the order of location at home. This eases the process of making a shopping list and is extremely necessary to ensure we do not have to go from one location to the other only to return to the first location to check if another item needs to be purchased. Now, let's say we do not have a lot of time to run through the entire master list of groceries and would only want to check the high priority items. We can do so by going to Groceries and clicking on By Priority. We see that all the high priority items are displayed first. When we are shopping at the store, we'd want the list to be displayed as per store. For that, let's go to Groceries and click on By Store. Every time we put an item in the shopping cart, we would uncheck the Buy Item checkbox. That would bring up a dialog box asking us if the item should be added to the inventory. Let's press Yes. We'll see that the in-inventory value changed from No to Yes. This way, we won't have to add the item to the inventory after we get back home. Let's assume our shopping is done and we are back home and want to plan meals for the week by taking a look at items in the inventory. All we have to do is to go to Groceries and click on By Inventory. That should display a list of items in the inventory. It can be observed that a Yes value under Has Recipe will display a Details link under Recipe and a No will display nothing. This feature helps in distinguishing between edible items which can have a recipe from the non-edible items like detergents, cleaning supplies, etc. which won't have a recipe. We will cover more on the inventory page in another video on meal planning. That brings us to the end of this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.